So one of the key new features of the Galaxy Tab S9 lineup is going to be its IP68 water resistant rating. Tablets often lack water resistance, and those that do offer the feature are usually sold as rugged options. But that is finally changing with the Tab S9 lineup, and today we have a hands-on video of the Tab S9 showcasing its water resistance capabilities. Someone leaked this on Reddit, and as you can see, even after pouring water on it, the tablet continues to work fine. From the back, we can clearly see that it's the new Tab S9 and not the last year's model. Moving on, you might be wondering what freebies Samsung is offering who are interested in pre-ordering the Tab S9 lineup. Well, according to the information we have so far, there are going to be 3 freebies or free gifts. First is going to be a free ultra slim keyboard cover. It usually sells for $140, but you'll get it for free if you pre-order any of the Tab S9 during the pre-order period that will last from July 26th to 10th of August. The second benefit is free YouTube Premium membership for 4 months. You need to redeem it between the 26th of July and 4th of January next year to get the benefits. And third is free $50 that you can use to buy the tablet. To get it, you just need to show that you're interested in purchasing the tablet. You don't need to pay, just put your name and email and that's it. You can use this $50 to buy the Tab S9 or Watch 6 or Z Fold 5 or Flip 5. It's non-committal, which means if you don't like the device, you don't need to make a purchase. The link to the offer is in the description. Next, we have the full specifications of the Tab S9 lineup. As you can see, the Tab S9 Ultra will be available in 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage configuration as well, while it's 12 gigs for the Tab S9 and S9 Plus. The Tab S9 Ultra will also get a new DCI P3 display which shows 25% more colors, so games, movies, and especially the HDR content will look amazing on this display. It will also have the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, the same one we have on the S23 Ultra, which is proven to be powerful and efficient at the same time, so it will have a way better battery life than last year. And the biggest upgrade to the Tab S9 lineup will come in the form of software, as Google has made huge changes to Android 14 to take full advantage of that large display. And finally, we have the prices for a couple of markets. Here are the prices for Canada in Canadian dollars, which show a price increase of $200. Here are the prices for Europe for Wi-Fi model. Keep in mind that these are pre-released third-party retailer prices that may or may not remain the same elsewhere. With just a week from the Unpacked event, we'll get to know all the official details, so do consider subscribing for that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.